Alright, so my last one is National Library of Math Manipulatives. So if you type in Math Manipulatives, National Library, or NLVM, this website you can find. So depending on what you're looking for, this website is a really great practice for all students. I selected this because a lot of students don't get just here's how to do it, go and do it. This breaks it down or gives them different ways of thinking of what they're doing. The purpose behind this, my goal, is to inform you of how you can teach different ways, or a way that you can use technology to get or resolve a problem a student's not understanding, just different ways of expressing math, I guess. My ISTA standards that I chose for this one is facilitator, because with this website you are facilitating and they play games, so it's kind of a game thing. So like our module, I think 10 or 9, they talked about gaming. It's kind of similar. They play games, but it's math related games, so it kind of helps them deepen the knowledge in math. So you facilitate that. We are also leaders, and we are leading the technology into the student's hand. It also is a good analysis and seeing how they're understanding the material. So we're analyzing while they're playing these games on, are they understanding it or are they not? So if I was looking, they have it broken down: number, algebra, geometry, measurements, data analysis, and then what grade. So I'm in like 6th and 8th grade. So I'm going to look at, let's go to algebra. So they do have to have Adobe flash drive on their computer in order to open this. But there's multiple different things. This is more of visual math. That way they understand it visually. Because a lot of students don't see the algebra behind it, but they see the geometry behind it. So if I did like algebra tiles, right? It's a game. So you're going to have to click. I need Java. So you're going to have to download Java. But it has different games that if you click on it after you download Java onto your device, you can play different games, any of these games, and just work with your students through it. It's a great way to build reasoning and stuff like that, like coin problem. It's where it's basically lift and you're trying to find which one's counterfeit. One of them's going to weigh less, but you only get so many moves, and so it's kind of a deeper thought. Factor tree, 15 puzzles. There's a lot of different things on these websites. So this is just under algebra. Go back, you can go to geometry, has attribution trains, congruent triangles, fractals, more fractals, geoboards, if you know what those are. It just has a lot of different Pythagorean theorem. It's how you discover it, proofs of it. It just has a lot of different math behind the math, and visual things for the students, so manipulatives. So this is a great website to use with those students that aren't getting the algebra part, but if you show them a different way, maybe they'll get it the geometry way. So this is a great website for basically any math teacher. That is all. So this is called National Library of Virtual Manipulatives, Math Manipulatives. Thank you.